how to update a purchase order for a product that is not live on Amazon, that is now live on Amazon. So let's check this out. So here is a purchase order that is currently in production. Let's just open it up and take a look at it. This purchase order was created on April 1st, and it's for a product that is a stainless steel shaker not live on Amazon yet. So we can just go in the order and take a look at it real quick to show you what it looks like. So this is obviously a fake product that I created, but it's a stainless steel shaker. You know, we have our MOQ and all that stuff. It's going direct to Amazon to keep it simple for this demonstration, and that's basically it, okay? So this purchase order was created back on April 1st. It's in production, and now the product is live on Amazon. So if we go to our inventory page, let's take a look at how this might actually work. I'm going to search for the keyword shaker to make it easier to look at here. So here is the product that we created. We created this product in SoStock by going here, create a product. There's videos on how to do that. You can search the help down here on creating a new product in SoStock. But that's what we did. We created this product, we placed a purchase order with our supplier, and now our API into Amazon pulled this new product that finally went live on Amazon. So that is pretty cool. So now how do we connect the dots and update this purchase order? Well, very simple. What you do is you click these two buttons, and we're going to do a bulk action. And what we're going to do is we're going to merge these two products. So down here, merge products. So it's going to ask you which one of these two is the primary product. And the primary product is the one that's actually live on Amazon, because that is the ASIN. We want the one that's connected to the ASIN. That's where all of our API data is coming from. This one was kind of a placeholder for our supplier, just so we could place that purchase order and keep track of inventory. So we're going to go here and do the basic stainless shaker one. We're going to merge. And look what happens. Now we only have one stainless shaker. Any data that was not updated on this listing, this SoStock listing, was pulled in from the other listing that we created earlier, and they're now both merged. Now let's go in here and let's go ahead and refresh this page, and let's take a look at this purchase order now. Okay, let's edit the order. And let's just make sure that it updated properly. And look, there it is. So now you can see, now it's got the ASIN attached to it, and it's got the internal part number and all that. That's what IPN is, internal part number or manufacturer part number. It's got the SKU and the ASIN in there. So everything looks pretty good to go here. And we would probably just want to change this purchase order name to maybe just stainless 001 instead of not live. Of course, it's still going to be on track, so now we can save this purchase order. Everything's good to go. We've already submitted it, so we don't really need to submit it again. It's already submitted. It's active. So let's go take a look at it, and we can see that it's updated here, and it's still on track to arrive at its final destination, which is Amazon FBA on June 15th. So that's how you would solve that problem.